Welcome to Open Design, the open-source Claude Design alternative that turns any coding agent into a full-fledged design engine. In this tutorial, we'll explore what Open Design is, how it works, and how you can start using it today. Open Design is an open-source, local-first desktop application that turns your existing coding agent CLI into a powerful design engine. It emerged in April 2026 as a direct response to Anthropic's Claude Design, bringing the same agent-native design capabilities to everyone, for free. The project has exploded in popularity, amassing over 76,000 GitHub stars and 8,700 forks in just over 2 months. At its core, Open Design is what happens when the agent-native design loop, discover the brief, lock the direction, stream the artifact, critique, and deliver, becomes an open file system of skills, design systems, and plugins that any coding agent can read, write, and remix. Your CLI becomes the design engine. Your laptop becomes the studio. And your team's design.md becomes the brand contract. Let's look at the key features. Open Design supports 21+ coding agent CLIs including Claude Code, Codex CLI, Cursor, GitHub Copilot, Gemini CLI, OpenCode, and many more, plus any OpenAI-compatible endpoint via Bring Your Own Key. It ships with 150+ brand-grade design systems from companies like Linear, Stripe, Versal, Apple, and Notion. Switching a design system means the next render uses entirely new tokens, no theme files to manage. The platform generates a wide range of output types. You can create prototypes, single-page HTML artifacts rendered in a sandboxed frame. Live dashboards and data-driven pages with editable panels. Magazine-style slide decks exportable to PPTX, PDF, or HTML. Brand-grade images with high-resolution generation. And even video, programmatic motion graphics rendered to MP4 via hyperframes. Now let's look at the architecture. Open Design follows a daemon-based architecture. A local daemon built with Express and SQLite runs on your machine, serving API endpoints for skills, plugins, design systems, chat, and project files. The browser or Electron shell connects to this daemon. When you type a brief, the daemon spawns your chosen coding agent CLI, which reads the skill.md and design.md files and writes artifacts to disk. The entire pipeline runs locally, no cloud round-trip required. Getting started is incredibly easy. There are 4 installation options. Option 1, the desktop app, requires 0 configuration, works on Mac OS, Windows, and Linux, and auto-detects every coding agent on your path. Option 2, install directly into your coding agent with a single command, odmcp install followed by your agent name. Option 3, Docker. And Option 4, run from source. Once installed, you simply type a brief, pick a plugin, select a design system, and the agent streams your artifact into a live preview. Let me show you the official website and GitHub page. The website at open-AI shows the hero section with a download button and the star count. The GitHub repository shows the comprehensive README with all features, platform compatibility tables, and community information. Open Design has a vibrant community. 364 contributors from around the world are building this together. There's an active Discord server, a Twitter account at Open Design HQ, and GitHub discussions for deep Q&A. The project also has an official fellow program where community members can shape the product and receive funded support of $1,000 per month. Let's compare Open Design with alternatives. Unlike Claude Design, which is closed source, cloud only, and locked to Anthropic's model, Open Design is fully open source under Apache 2.0, runs locally, and supports any model via 21 CLIs and BYOK. Unlike Figma, which uses a visual canvas and proprietary formats, Open Design is code-driven and produces real HTML, CSS, and JavaScript artifacts. And unlike Lovable, V0, or Bolt, which are cloud-based and closed, Open Design is local-first, open source, and gives you complete ownership of your work. The use cases are incredibly diverse. Rapid prototyping from brief to interactive prototype in minutes. Brand-first design with codified design.md files. Presentation creation with 15 deck templates. Marketing content with 45 image templates. Video production with hyperframes. Even codebase refreshing, point Open Design at a repo with a design.md and have the agent refactor components. To summarize, Open Design is the open-source, local-first, agent-native design workspace. It supports 21 coding agents, ships with 150 design systems, 200+ plugins, and 100+ skills. It generates prototypes, slides, images, and video. It is Apache 2.0 licensed and completely free. Visit open-design.ai to download it today, or star the repo on GitHub at github.com/nexu-io/opendesign. Thanks for watching.